Ayo, Tina no dao. Niwina chulo wakwan. Kubete duma mama. Nen waruki wea lokepi an. Ento wiyo wilo wei kuma. Iwega niya. Itanya ni wek. Chante makiri komi kona wilo gi tractor. Kona kelo gi mami. Kona yabo gi duga. Akele la pomola wijitanya pinyari. Akele, why did you do me like that? Girl, you broke me down. You disappointed me. Okay, guys, let's discuss. Akele has sent me today to talk on her behalf. Yes. So you guys has been attacking Bliss Ann and Kamalara, that they are falling for Mixola just for speaking out. But for what? You know, they are speaking for Akele because Akele is just too shy. You guys, Akele is on TikTok, but her name is not Akele. So you will never know Akele is Akele. Each one of you guys know who Akele is, but you would know because she is using a coverage name. You get the point? So Akele is innocent. I'm siding with Akele. Besides, all women is on Akele's side. We should be supporting Akele. The guy should come for Mixola and support him because Mixola did Akele dirty. Guys, even her clothes. She went to pick her clothes from Mixola house. He locked the door. Akele couldn't enter the house. And now he's singing, girl, why did you do me like that? You are the one who did Akele like that now. Akele is so shy, guys. She doesn't have mouth to talk. She's innocent. All these things Mixola is claiming did not happen. Her wig, she left her wig at Mixola house. And now Mixola is the one wearing it. He refused giving it back, This is too much. Guys, just leave Bliss Ann and Kamalara alone. Let them support Akele because Akele is here watching everything. She is watching. She's even commenting. But you guys just don't know she's Akele. Yes. So, Akele for the win. Yeah. Go team Akele.